In 2025, Rheem will commit to achieving zero waste and zero landfill impact from all of our global manufacturing operations.
Today we're at Lewisville, Texas at our main distribution center for our AC division. We're working with experts in the field as we partner with NG Insights. They're assisting us with actually what we're doing here today, which is we're doing a waste audit.
First thing right now is we're actually taking a look at getting a baseline. Where are we today? And then looking for the best practices with not only within the company, but actually nationwide. What can we then do to take our sustainability to the next step? We're establishing our benchmarks, and then we're just going to be setting our targets here and then marching towards those targets.
The biggest difference I think between a distribution center and a plant is at this facility here we have 650,000 square foot of just boxes, and they generate just a small portion of waste. We have some cardboard and some paper and some plastic, whereas our manufacturing plants we have lots of different waste.
So the big one is looking at your physical waste. What we're bringing into the building, how can we do that? Separating those are going to be the biggest thing that we can do immediately.
One thing we did was we came up with the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. We're not just looking at zero waste to landfill. We're looking at reducing greenhouse gases. We're looking at being more responsible with just about every aspect of our business. Anything that we can do to be efficient, to be a good steward of the amount of fuel we use, the amount of space we take up, and overall the amount of logistical expense that we have for shipping our products around the world.